This is Project 50, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 built to our client's specific design. Project 50 is painted in a two-tone Bernati grey and Santorini black for the accent colour. 50 sits on 18-inch 1983 wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a roll cage with 4 LED spotlights on top, black steering guard and classic black front grille. Inside, 50 features a Nardi Challenge black steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Puma modular front seats and a unique 2 jump seat plus 1 bench seat in the load area. Each of the seats is wrapped in a single diamond dark grey leather with an orange stitch to give the interior a subtle pop of colour. This D90 is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission, making for a very swift ride in a light soft-top D90. Project 50 also features an array of modern conveniences such as our JL audio sound system, wireless charging, Bluetooth audio and access to USB ports for all passengers. Project 50 is a superb vehicle